Loving you is a dream come true, is a treasure I long to possess. The way you start your relationship, that ensures your happiness. I'm so glad that we.
I see him me just talk to you about me, I can't agree with you, know. You ever say I'm so glad like that, them. We who?
I saw a song, sir.
You don't want to sing it that way, you must say, I'm so glad that them do each other. You know what? You're going like your wicked and get ignorant, you know. Go over there, so got up. Where is your while ago? Huh? No, man, not me amazing chief. Me amazing for you, girl, let me amazing for you. Stand up over there, sir. Me have one police. Hey, I have 3 type of police in our force. 3 type. You have a bad man one them. When them tap your vehicle and say, hey, you don't come out of war clock car come in an argument this morning with the papers and all that. And you have a decent one. Good morning, this is Apachie. Could you please give me your papers? And then you have a next set them now, certain type. When you come out of the car and spread your legs and bend over the car, come here search you not today. Yeah, me a bad man one. Yeah, hold on. Come here, Apachie. How wouldn't 3 people there?
Where?
3 big man in that place to rotted. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 big celebrities in the place. Right now we have the Right Honorable, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Right Honorable P.J. Patterson. Mr. Patterson, what do you have to say about the 2 comedians that is mashing up Jamaica in the name of Jamaican? Sammy question and Apachie Chief.
Sammy, question, and Apachie Chief are indeed funny. I, myself, is indeed funny in my own way. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prime Minister. Here comes the opposition leader of Jamaica, the Right Honorable Philip George Edward Siaga. Mr. Siaga, what do you have to say about the speech the Prime Minister just gave?
Well, I am not going to call anybody funny. As you can see, my wife just have a baby. And when you see the V, it's not for victory. It is for Viagra. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have straight from 9 Mile where he was buried, straight from 9 Mile where he was buried, the Right Honorable Bob Marley. Mr. Bob Marley, what do we have to say about the speech the opposition leader and the Prime Minister just gave?
Well, right now, I not gonna call nobody funny, you know. I don't really dig them thing there.
So what do you dig, Mr. Marley?
Rita. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, y'all go over this up. Yes? And when I call an artist name, y'all go walk like the artist, talk like the artist, hack like the artist, work like the artist. Run the do all of them rhythm there. Can you go do all of them? Hold the rhythm. Oh, you're sharp. Run the rhythm. Hold the rhythm. If you go to prison, you're not going to take much rhythm. Run the rhythm and play it low. Ladies, you don't understand the name play it low. Let me tell you something, hold the rhythm there. Me can't tell you about prison. Because me a security guard too. When them boys say play it low if you're there pan, you're not problem. You have to go hide that and can't reach you. Oh. Run the rhythm. Ladies and gentlemen, going to present to you a veteran artist. His name is Gregory Isaac. Come in, Gregory.
Only then. Take it down low. Hold on. Ready? Skin loading. Lord knows. Give me now. I tell my girlfriend saying, do you wanna be my number one?
Over there. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you a big man in the business. Another veteran, Bushman, come in.
Rinsing, shutting it, no need to bow, no need to beg. Young man is here,
Where's Zebra there? Come in, Zebra.
Yo, she me fi wan. I don't want you pop up and gwan. She me fi wan.
Veteran thing we are dealing with. Bujo, Bantan, come in, Bujo.
Oh yes, I know they looting and shooting, killing and a rampage. Where will it is?
What with him? Yo, go over there, sir. Anybody in here want an artist? Huh? Bounty Killer, tell us I want, man. You couldn't find a female artist in Jasa. Anybody want an artist? Yes, Bounty Killer. If Bounty Killer ever hold you, you're dead. Boy, hold on, boy, you're some lady. Who you want, miss? Jesus. Eh? Them no better looking than Red Rose. Hello. When me be the Sunday daytime and put in my dimples at death. Look for my dimples. No boy dimples, no big so. You wear frock? You wear frock?
No.
Catch your right where you draw a steer. Give me a lady, sir. Walk like lady, sir. Talk like lady, sir. Act like lady, sir.
Run the rhythm.
Ladies, grab it up your nose, sir. Ladies, grab it up and say, oh, go again.
Oh, ladies out, that's again. If the man lay